Imagine stepping into a car that already knows your destination. You sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey while the vehicle safely navigates traffic, avoids obstacles, and follows every road rule without needing a human driver. This is not science fiction anymore. Welcome to the world of autonomous cars. Autonomous cars, also known as self-driving vehicles, are transforming the future of transportation. Using advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, cameras, radar, lidar sensors, GPS, and powerful onboard computers, these vehicles can understand their surroundings and make driving decisions in real time. Every second, a self-driving car collects thousands of pieces of information from its environment. It detects pedestrians, traffic lights, road signs, other vehicles, and even changing weather conditions. The onboard AI processes this information instantly, helping the vehicle drive safely and efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of autonomous cars is safety. Human error is responsible for most road accidents around the world. Fatigue, distraction, speeding, and impaired driving cause millions of crashes every year. Self-driving technology aims to reduce these risks by remaining alert every second of every journey. Another major benefit is convenience. Imagine commuting to work while reading a book, answering emails, or simply relaxing. Long road trips could become less stressful, giving passengers more time to enjoy the ride instead of focusing on driving. Autonomous vehicles can also improve traffic flow. By communicating with each other, they can maintain safe distances, reduce traffic jams, and optimize travel routes. This could lead to shorter travel times and lower fuel consumption. Environmental benefits are another exciting possibility. Many autonomous vehicles are designed to work with electric powertrains. Combined with efficient driving patterns, this could significantly reduce carbon emissions and help create cleaner cities. Accessibility is another important advantage. Self-driving technology can provide greater independence for elderly people and individuals with disabilities who may not be able to drive themselves. Safe, reliable transportation could improve their quality of life. Despite these benefits, autonomous driving still faces several challenges. Complex weather conditions, unexpected road hazards, and legal regulations continue to test the technology. Engineers and researchers around the world are constantly improving AI systems to make them even more reliable. Cybersecurity is also a major concern. Since autonomous cars rely heavily on software and internet connectivity, manufacturers must build strong security systems to protect vehicles from hacking and unauthorized access. Public trust is another challenge. Many people are still unsure about allowing a computer to control a vehicle. As technology continues to improve and safety records grow stronger, confidence in autonomous vehicles is expected to increase. Leading automotive companies and technology firms are investing billions of dollars in autonomous driving research. Every year brings new breakthroughs in sensors, machine learning, and vehicle communication systems. These innovations are bringing us closer to a future where self-driving cars become a common sight on roads around the world. The future may also include smart cities where autonomous vehicles communicate with traffic lights, road infrastructure, emergency services, and even pedestrians. This connected transportation network could dramatically improve safety and efficiency. Imagine ordering a self-driving taxi from your smartphone. Within minutes, the vehicle arrives, opens its doors automatically, and takes you directly to your destination. No driver, no parking worries, and no traffic stress. As autonomous technology evolves, transportation will become smarter, cleaner, and more efficient. Although challenges remain, the progress achieved over the past decade shows that the future of mobility is rapidly approaching. Autonomous cars represent more than just a new way to travel. They symbolize innovation, artificial intelligence, and the endless possibilities of modern engineering. As researchers continue refining this technology, self-driving vehicles may soon become an everyday part of our lives. The road to the future has already begun, and autonomous cars are leading the way towards safer roads, smarter cities, and a more connected world. The journey is just beginning, and the next chapter in transportation promises to be one of the most exciting technological revolutions in human history. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the latest innovations in automotive technology, artificial intelligence, and the future of transportation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.